Have you ever thought that a seemingly healthy meal could be silently harming your body? Even a slight food pairing mistake, like with garlic, a familiar condiment in your kitchen, might lead to bloating, indigestion, or even prolonged constipation. Sounds scary, right? But don't worry. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets that millennia of Eastern medicine have held regarding foods you should never pair with garlic. Can you guess what they are? Watch this video until the end to safeguard your health and elevate your food knowledge. And now, comment below to tell me a dish you often eat with garlic. I'll let you know if it's safe. First, let's understand why garlic, hailed as nature's antibiotic, comes with certain prohibitions when paired with food. According to Eastern medicine, all foods have properties based on the 5 elements: metal, wood, water, fire, and earth. Garlic has a spicy, hot flavor and belongs to the metal element. It is highly beneficial for fighting bacteria, boosting immunity, and aiding digestion. However, it is this very heat that, when coupled with the wrong foods, can cause the body to lose balance, leading to health issues like bloating, internal heat, or even damage to the stomach. So, what are these food prohibitions according to Eastern medicine? They are not superstition, but a system of knowledge refined over thousands of years of observation and experimentation. Eastern medicine emphasizes that when two foods have contradictory or excessively synergistic properties, it creates a conflict, meaning harm to the body. For example, if you pair a hot food like garlic with a warm food, the body becomes overheated, causing discomfort or illness. Conversely, pairing garlic with a cold food can disrupt the digestive system. Why should we care about these prohibitions? Simply put, you don't want a delicious meal to keep you awake with bloating or send you rushing to the bathroom due to constipation, right? Knowing how to pair food not only helps you eat more intelligently, but also protects your health in the long run, especially in an era where we often eat hurriedly and without consideration. Furthermore, applying this knowledge will give you more confidence when cooking, helping you avoid small errors that could lead to serious consequences. Are you thinking about a dish with garlic right now? Think about it. Have you ever paired garlic with eggs, chicken, or fish? If so, keep watching, because next we'll dive deep into the foods Eastern medicine warns should not be eaten with garlic, along with remedies if you accidentally make a mistake. And don't forget to comment and share your favorite dishes. I'll help check if they're safe. Now that we understand the concept of food prohibitions in Eastern medicine, it's time to look at the first pair: garlic and eggs. Sounds strange, right? Fragrant garlic and soft, rich eggs seem like a perfect match for an omelette or a hearty American breakfast. But according to Eastern medicine, this is a mismatched pair you should avoid if you don't want your body to cry for help. How do garlic and eggs conflict? According to ancient Eastern medical texts, garlic has a spicy, hot flavor and belongs to the metal element. Eggs, particularly chicken eggs, are generally neutral, moderately warm, and belong to the earth element. When these two foods meet, especially when the garlic is cooked or fried at a high temperature, they create a conflicting reaction. The heat from the cooked garlic increases its hot properties, while the egg tends to cause energy stagnation, meaning it impedes the flow of energy in the body. What's the result? You might feel bloated, heavy in the stomach, or even have a dull stomachache after the meal. Moreover, modern research suggests that when garlic is cooked at high temperatures, the sulfur compounds in the garlic can react with the protein in the egg, creating substances that are difficult to digest. This is why many people feel unwell after eating a dish like a garlicky omelette, especially if you have a delicate digestive system or suffer from internal heat. This pairing can worsen symptoms, leading to acne or a restless feeling. Why avoid pairing garlic with eggs? Right now, you might be wondering, is just a garlicky omelette that serious? The answer is, it's not serious every time, but if you eat it often or in large quantities, the negative effects accumulate. Imagine your body is a machine. Every time you feed it the wrong pairing, the machine has to work overtime to cope. Over time, this can lead to problems such as digestive disorders, liver heat, or a weakened stomach. Additionally, according to Eastern medicine, maintaining the yin-yang balance in the body is the key to health. Garlic and eggs, when paired, can tip the body toward hotness, resulting in an imbalance. This is particularly harmful for people who naturally run hot or have conditions like stomach ulcers or acid reflux. Therefore, understanding and avoiding this mistake not only helps you eat deliciously, but also protects your long-term health. What if you accidentally ate garlic and eggs? Don't worry if you've eaten this dish unknowingly. Eastern medicine offers a remedy. If you feel bloated or uncomfortable after a garlicky egg dish, try drinking warm water mixed with a little honey. Honey is neutral, which helps soothe the digestive system and reduce the heat from the garlic. Alternatively, you could chew a couple of fresh mint leaves or drink mint tea to stimulate digestion and alleviate that heavy feeling. The important thing is to limit this pairing, especially when you cook the garlic at high heat. If you want to use garlic in your egg dishes, here's a little secret. Use fresh, finely minced garlic and sprinkle it over the eggs after they are cooked instead of frying them together. Fresh garlic retains its antibacterial properties without adding excessive heat. Give it a try and feel the difference. Do you often make garlicky omelettes? Or do you have another dish where you always add garlic for flavor? Comment and let me know. I'll help check if that dish is safe according to Eastern medicine. And what do you think about substituting garlic with chives in an omelette? Is it worth a try? Share your thoughts. I'm genuinely curious. Next, we'll explore another conflicting partner for garlic: chicken. Can you guess why? Don't miss this, because this information will help you cook smarter and protect your health better. How do garlic and chicken conflict? According to Eastern medicine, chicken meat has warm properties, a sweet flavor, and belongs to the earth element. It nourishes the body, helps build blood energy, and aids recovery. Garlic, on the other hand, is spicy hot and belongs to the metal element. It stimulates digestion and is a good antibacterial agent. The problem arises when these two foods meet. The heat of the garlic combined with the warmth of the chicken creates an overheated state in the body. It's like pouring oil on a fire. The body is heavily taxed. What is the consequence of this pairing? Eastern medicine suggests that eating garlic with chicken can lead to indigestion, internal heat, or even serious issues like constipation or diarrhea. This is especially true if you fry or grill the chicken with a lot of garlic. The high heat increases the hot properties of both, severely impacting the body. People who naturally have internal heat or symptoms like a sore throat, fever, or chronic constipation will clearly feel unwell after eating this dish. From a modern science perspective, this pairing is also not ideal. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that, when cooked at high heat, can react with the protein in chicken, creating substances that are difficult to digest. This is why some people feel heavy or bloated after eating heavily garlic chicken. And if you eat this dish often, it can put a strain on the liver and kidneys, leading to fatigue or prolonged internal heat. Why avoid this pairing? Imagine your body is a house. If you light the fireplace too hot, the house becomes stuffy and uncomfortable. Similarly, eating garlic with chicken frequently can cause the body to lose its yin-yang balance, leading to undesirable health issues. Especially in modern life, where we face stress, processed foods, and pollution, keeping the body cool and balanced is crucial. Understanding this not only helps you avoid minor issues like bloating or constipation, but also protects your health in the long term and makes you a smarter cook, knowing how to pair foods for both deliciousness and nourishment. Who doesn't want to cook meals that the whole family loves and are good for their health, right? What if you accidentally ate garlic and chicken? If you've eaten a garlicky chicken dish, like garlic chicken cutlets, and felt uncomfortable, don't worry. Eastern medicine has simple remedies. One method is to drink a tea made from young mulberry leaves, a common herb often found in remedies. Mulberry leaves have cool properties and a mild sweet flavor, helping to reduce internal heat and rebalance the warmth from the garlic and chicken. Just take a handful of fresh mulberry leaves, wash them, boil them with about 2 cups of water for 10 minutes and drink it warm. If you don't have mulberry leaves, fresh unsweetened lemonade is a great option to soothe the digestive system. To prevent repeating the mistake, try substituting garlic with other seasonings when cooking chicken, such as fresh ginger or scallions. Not only do they add flavor, but they also provide appropriate warmth that pairs well with chicken. If you still want to use garlic, add it fresh, sprinkled over the chicken after it's cooked to minimize the heat. These small changes make a big difference to your health. We've explored 2 conflicting pairs, garlic with eggs and garlic with chicken. Now, we come to the final pair emphasized by Eastern medicine, garlic and bass. Sounds surprising, right? Bass is a nourishing food, often appearing in family meals, and garlic is a seasoning used to remove its fishy odor. But according to folk experience and Eastern medicine, this pairing can cause significant health problems. Let's look at the reasons and how to avoid them. How do garlic and bass conflict? According to Eastern medicine, bass is neutral, sweet-flavored, and belongs to the earth element. It nourishes the spleen, promotes wellness, and supports digestion. Garlic, being spicy, hot, and of the metal element, has intense energy, stimulating circulation and fighting bacteria. When paired, the heat from the garlic can disrupt the balance of the bass, causing energy to become turbulent in the body. The result is that you might feel bloated, have indigestion, or be fatigued after eating. Long-standing American folk experience has suggested that bass is in conflict with garlic, especially when cooked together in dishes like fish stew or fried fish. Cooked garlic increases its heat, overwhelming the neutral properties of the bass, causing internal heat in the body. Furthermore, from a scientific perspective, the sulfur compounds in garlic, when cooked at high heat, may react with the protein in the bass, creating substances that are hard to digest, increasing the burden on the stomach and intestines. This is particularly bad for those with a weak digestive system or issues like stomach ulcers. Why avoid this pairing? You might think, how important is just a garlicky bass dish? But remember, small mistakes in eating, if repeated often, can accumulate and harm the body. Pairing garlic with bass not only causes you to lose the nutritional benefits of the fish, but can also lead to fatigue and discomfort. Furthermore, in many food cultures, fish is often prepared meticulously to maintain its delicate flavor. Adding garlic not only compromises the subtlety of the dish, but may also be a health hazard. Knowing this prohibition will help you cook intelligently, preserve the flavor of your food, and protect your family's health. Who doesn't want to cook delicious, nourishing meals without worrying about side effects, right? What if you accidentally ate garlic and bass? If you've eaten bass cooked with garlic and felt bloated or uncomfortable, Eastern medicine offers simple remedies. Try drinking warm, unsweetened green tea. Green tea has cooling properties which help soothe the digestive system and reduce the heat from the garlic. If you don't have green tea, you can try eating fresh watercress or drinking watercress juice to aid digestion. These ingredients are easy to find and effective in reducing that heavy feeling. To prevent future mistakes, try substituting garlic with other seasonings when preparing bass, such as fresh ginger or parsley or dill. They not only remove the fishy odor, but also provide appropriate warmth that pairs well with the fish. If you still want to use garlic, mince it fresh and sprinkle it over the fish after it's cooked instead of cooking them together. This small tip will help preserve the flavor without compromising health. We've now explored 3 conflicting pairs with garlic: eggs, chicken, and bass. This knowledge will not only help you avoid mistakes in your diet, but also elevate your cooking skills, assisting you in preparing meals that are both delicious and healthy. Eastern medicine is not superstition, but a treasure trove of wisdom refined over thousands of years. And today, you've learned an important part of it. Remember, mindful eating is the key to good health. The next time you step into the kitchen, think about what we discussed today. Try substituting garlic with ginger, parsley, or using fresh garlic to protect your body. And most importantly, listen to your body. It will tell you when you're doing right or wrong. It's your turn to take action. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button to support me. Share this video with your friends and family so they know how to cook intelligently. Don't forget to comment and tell me what dish you often make with garlic. I'll help check if it's safe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next useful video. Together, we'll build a community that eats healthier and smarter. See you in the next video.